Former Stellantis boss, Tesla won't survive the decade. So, the former head of Stellantis has some pretty strong opinions about Tesla's future. And let's just say he's not painting a rosy picture. Portuguese manager Carlos Tavares, the guy who used to run the Stellantis conglomerate, is back in the spotlight. After he was let go, he didn't just fade away. Instead, he's been giving a lot of interviews and even wrote a book, talking about the future of the car industry. And of course, he had to weigh in on Tesla and its eccentric leader, Elon Musk. From Stellantis star to Tesla critic. When Tavares was at the wheel of Stellantis, he managed to upset both fans of gasoline V8 engines and dealers who weren't happy with his aggressive push into electrification. So, when he was suddenly fired last December, not many people were sad to see him go. But it seems the former top exec isn't planning on retiring quietly. Now, he's happily sharing his wisdom and predictions. In his latest interview, he stated that Tesla might not make it to 2035. "I'm not sure it will even exist in 10 years, he said. In his opinion, the company faces two serious threats, and the first one is the growing power of Chinese manufacturers. China is advancing, Musk is distracted. Chinese brands are rolling out electric cars faster, cheaper, and often with better quality already. Their success is based on streamlined production chains and minimal costs, which lets them keep prices tens of % lower. Competing with this is getting harder and harder even for Tesla, especially as the Chinese start price wars both at home and abroad." The second threat, according to Tavares, lies with Musk himself. He thinks Elon might just lose interest in the car business and switch his focus to robots, space, or artificial intelligence. And honestly, that sounds pretty plausible. Musk has proven time and again that he loves a challenge, but he doesn't always see things through to the end. Tesla is losing momentum. In recent years, Tesla has started to feel more like an IT company than a car manufacturer. New models are rare. It's been 6 years since the Model Y premiered, and the Cybertruck, to put it mildly, hasn't lived up to the hype. If the pace of innovation doesn't pick up, Tesla's advantage could completely disappear. Investors are also starting to get nervous. Way too much is tied to the figure of Musk himself. And if he really does shift his focus to other projects, market confidence in Tesla could collapse as fast as its stock on a bad day. Wrapping up, you can feel however you want about Tavares' words, but the facts are the facts. The Chinese are advancing, competition is heating up, and Tesla no longer looks invincible. The cost of electric vehicles is falling, profit margins are shrinking, and even giants like Musk are being forced to rethink their plans. So it's possible that in 10 years, we'll see a completely different landscape. And there's no guarantee that Tesla will be on top.